Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
If you're over 60 and you've noticed your muscles feeling weaker, your energy fading, or those stubborn cramps at night, I want you to pay close attention. Because today, I'm going to show you how something as simple as what you put in your water each morning can completely change the way your body feels and performs. Most of us start our mornings with a plain glass of water. It's automatic, something we do without thinking. But here's the truth that surprises many people. After 60, plain water might not be enough. Your muscles are made up of about 75% water. Yet as you age, your muscle cells lose water faster. Your body absorbs minerals less effectively, and your thirst signal weakens. That's why you can drink plenty of water yet still feel tired, stiff, or crampy. So what's the solution? Adding the right natural ingredients to your water, ingredients that recharge your muscles, restore hydration where it counts, and even support balance, flexibility, and energy. Take Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson for example. He's not 60 yet, but his hydration habits are legendary. He never drinks plain water while training. Instead, he adds electrolytes, coconut water, and trace minerals to keep his muscles powerful. If it works for a body under that much stress, imagine how much it can help someone over 60 who simply wants to stay strong, steady, and independent. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through 4 powerful ingredients you can add to water that rebuild muscle strength, fight hidden dehydration, and help you feel younger, stronger, and more energized every day. But before we dive in, I'd love to know, do you already add anything to your water for better recovery or energy? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one, and I love learning from your experiences. Ingredient 1. Lemon and mineral salt, the hydration foundation. By the time you reach 60, your body doesn't hold on to water like it once did. You might sip water all day long yet still feel stiff, drained, or wake up at night with painful cramps. That's because plain water tends to rush through your system without being absorbed where it's needed, your muscle cells. Why does this happen? As we age, the tiny gates in our cells, called aquaporins, weaken. That means muscles lose their sponge-like ability to soak up and retain water. But here's the good news. You don't need an expensive supplement to fix it. One of the simplest upgrades is already in your kitchen: lemon and mineral salt. Lemon. A squeeze of lemon adds natural citric acid, which lowers the pH of your water. This makes it easier for your small intestine to absorb. Think of it as opening more doors so hydration reaches your bloodstream faster. Lemon also delivers vitamin C, which supports collagen, the protein that keeps muscles and joints flexible instead of stiff. Mineral salt. Not regular table salt, but mineral-rich salts like Himalayan pink or Celtic sea salt. These contain potassium, magnesium, and trace minerals your muscles crave. They don't just flavor your water. They act like tiny keys that lock hydration inside your muscle cells. They also calm nerve activity, helping reduce cramps and stiffness. How to use it? In an 8 to 12 ounces glass of water, add half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice or 1 to 2 thin lemon slices, plus just a pinch of mineral salt. Drink it first thing in the morning, when your body is most dehydrated. Want to make it refreshing? Add cucumber slices or fresh mint leaves. Perfect for warm days. The benefits: fewer nighttime cramps, steadier energy, better balance and mobility, calmer digestion. This small act, done daily, builds a foundation of hydration that keeps your body moving with confidence. Ingredient 2. Electrolyte powder, deep hydration for aging muscles. If lemon and salt are the foundation, electrolyte powder is the next level. Most people think electrolytes are only for athletes or sick days. But here's a surprising fact. After 60, your need for electrolytes actually increases. Why? Because aging kidneys flush out water and minerals faster. Your thirst signal weakens, so by the time you feel thirsty, you're already behind. Without electrolytes, water simply runs through you, leaving muscles flat and weak. Electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, control how water moves in and out of your cells. They are the traffic lights that direct hydration into your muscles. One study in the Journal of Nutrients showed that older adults who drank water with electrolytes improved muscle hydration by 30% in just 5 days. Plain water alone barely made a difference. What to look for in a powder: sugar-free, caffeine-free, no artificial colors, balanced minerals, sodium, potassium, magnesium. Some also include zinc or vitamin C for extra immune and joint support. How to use it? Mix half a teaspoon of electrolyte powder into 16 ounces of water. Sip slowly in the morning, or after light exercise like walking or stretching. The benefits: more steady energy, less dizziness when standing, fewer muscle twitches at night, better balance and flexibility. For many, the results show up in just a few days. Ingredient 3. Freeze-dried coconut water, nature's electrolyte. Coconut water has earned its reputation as nature's sports drink. It's naturally loaded with potassium, magnesium, and sodium, the very minerals your muscles need to stay hydrated. In fact, Coconut water contains twice the potassium of a banana. The challenge? Fresh coconut water spoils quickly and isn't always available. That's where freeze-dried coconut water powder comes in. It's simply coconut water with the moisture removed, leaving behind all the minerals in a lightweight powder. Why it works so well? It has a mild, natural sweetness that makes it easy to sip all day. It doesn't overload your system with sugar like commercial sports drinks. Potassium supports blood pressure and reduces cramps. Magnesium relaxes muscles and improves sleep. A touch of natural glucose helps nutrients absorb into muscle cells faster. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of freeze-dried coconut water powder into 10 to 16 ounces of cool water. Add a squeeze of lemon or a thin slice of ginger for extra digestion support. The benefits: less stiffness, fewer cramps, better energy during hot weather or after activity, gentle on blood sugar and blood pressure. This is a fantastic choice if you want a natural, refreshing option you can drink daily. Ingredient 4. Low-dose creatine, rehydrating muscles while you sleep. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful, science-backed tools for older adults. Creatine. When most people hear creatine, they picture bodybuilders. But the truth is, low-dose creatine is one of the safest, most effective ways for older adults to preserve strength, balance, and energy. Why? Because creatine doesn't just fuel muscles, it helps them hold on to water. Here's how it works. Your body naturally makes creatine, but levels drop after 60. Without it, muscles weaken, recover slowly, and lose elasticity. Supplementing just 1 to 2 grams per day refills your muscles' energy tank. Unlike athletes who take huge doses, older adults only need a pinch. And the results are amazing. Stronger steps, faster recovery, fewer cramps, and even sharper thinking. Because creatine supports brain cells too. How to use it? Stir 1 to 2 grams, about half a teaspoon, of pure creatine monohydrate into warm water once a day, ideally in the evening. Warm water dissolves it better, and nighttime use helps your muscles repair as you sleep. The benefits: stronger lower body strength, better balance and coordination, reduced risk of falls, clearer mental focus. Creatine has been proven safe for older adults, even those with mild health issues, when used in small amounts. So, let's recap. With just a few simple daily habits, you can turn plain water into a muscle-supporting drink that hydrates deeply with lemon and mineral salt, locks water into your cells with electrolytes, provides natural balance with coconut water powder, boosts muscle energy and repair with low-dose creatine. No complicated routines, no expensive supplements, just small, science-backed upgrades that protect your muscles and keep you moving strong after 60. Now imagine this: waking up with fewer aches, walking steadily without fear of cramps, and carrying that energy with you all day long. That's what proper hydration, done right, can do for you. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Have you tried adding lemon, coconut water, or electrolytes to your routine? Did it make a difference for you? I'd love to hear your story. And if you want more science-based tips to stay strong, energized, and independent after 60, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. Remember, your body has carried you this far. With the right hydration, you can help it keep carrying you for many more years, stronger, steadier, and healthier than ever.
Your heart will thank you. Together, we can build a healthier America.